Welcome back everyone. This is the best monitor I have ever used, and I will tell you why. First, I have to unbox it as fast as I can, so my cat can lick some plastic bags. I think my cat already likes this huge monitor. This is a first for me, that the Philips manufacturer includes a calibration datasheet, good attention to detail. As always, Cat is here to help. I don't usually review TVs or monitors, but this one is an exception, because of an integrated soundbar. It has a decently sized speakers, and I think we all should think about this monitor as a 2-in-1, monitor and a soundbar. It has a bass port, which suggests that we will have some bass extension. Also, this is a branded soundbar from the Bowers Wilkins, which suggests that buying separately it would cost a couple of $100. More features on the sides and top. This is controllable Ambiglow lighting that adds an immersion to the HDR quality screen by using the lighting diodes. After a month of use, I have made an opinion about this product. The remote control says it all. This is a simple product, which in this case is a compliment. This is not a TV, it doesn't have any smart TV functions, and it doesn't need them. Because if you buy a monitor this big, you already have a gaming console, which already has all the smart features you need. Remote control does simple things. Switches soundbar on mute or enables sound, controls volume, switches inputs, and helps you get through menus while sitting on your couch. You can change HDR modes in a few seconds, but I prefer HDR 1000 setting. You can change Ambiglow settings, add a constant crosshair, and many other functions. But I would like to focus on the sound settings, because there is a 5-band EQ, which helps to tailor the sound. I just increased the 100Hz band, and it sounded very good for a soundbar. Again, I remind you that this is a 2-in-1. If you live in an apartment, you will have all the volume you need with this monitor. You can even bother your neighbors with no problem. Of course, it cannot match my hi-fi speakers, but it does not need it. In return, this 2-in-1 setup saves you some money and saves a lot of space. I have it connected to my PS5. When I press the PS button on the controller, it turns on PS5 and also switches on the monitor automatically. In the dark, Ambiglow lighting adds some bling to my small Christmas tree. As you can see, I don't need a smart TV. I have a processing power of a PS5. I can game while sitting on my couch, and yes, I'm pretty bad at this game. It does not matter if you have an Xbox or PlayStation. You will have plenty of processing power, which in my opinion has been the bottleneck of modern TVs. If you own a gaming console and you add this monitor to your setup, you will save space, have a great audio, and all menus will be snappy and fast, with no delays. In daytime, the matte screen helps a lot. There are no glossy finishes on this monitor, which adds to the screen quality a lot. You can experience an HDR quality with no reflections. From all the games that I tried during the testing process, I enjoyed the most Red Dead Redemption 2. With the HDR quality and HDR 1000 set on the monitor, everything looked lifelike. I could say that the game looked real. It adds an additional immersion to the games, which was a reason to complete the game once again. If you have a gaming console, I would say that this is a must-have for your gaming experience to be improved. The gunshots, dialogues, and ambient sounds are clear. You can distinguish from where the sound is coming from. The only negative that I found with this monitor is that I was unable to find a setting to add an active subwoofer to it. It has a 3.5mm out, but when I plug something in it, the soundbar mutes automatically. But if you're not a basshead, then it will be a big improvement over any other TV or monitor speakers that I have ever heard. If you want to use this monitor for movies, you can do it as well. PS5 supports all major streaming services, Spotify for music, and many other TV-related apps. I don't watch TV at all, so I do not want to pay for features that I will not use. After 1 month of testing, I can openly say that this monitor is made for me. If you value picture quality and want to experience games on a new level while comfortably sitting on your couch, this is made for you too. It is simple, but at the same time very refined product. I like it a lot. And on this positive note, I have to leave you. I need to go on a mountain. See you in our next videos. Good luck everyone.